What is up, guys? Welcome to a brand new video of 𝐅𝐀𝐒 Plays. We have got ourselves the Cooler Master MasterLiquid Lite 120 CPU liquid cooler, and as you can see, I am wearing gloves obviously for my own protection. You need to protect the thing on that, you know what I mean? What can I say? And obviously I am going to be showing you guys the installation as well. So without any further ado, let's get into the box thing on that. So let's get to the unboxing. Okay, actually I'm gonna rip it carefully because I don't want, in case, you know, if there's any leakage, I might need to send this thing back. Hopefully, fingers crossed, there is no leakages. And yeah, here it is, guys. The MasterLiquid liquid cooler itself. You can see it is quite a heavy, but it looks like it's been through some, you know, looks like it's been through some World War III. Like, can I say? What's this, man? But anyways, yeah, guys. Hopefully you guys can see it properly. That's the box itself, obviously. So yeah, you can see that is the liquid cooler itself. Alright guys, so I just wanted to show you that this is the stock cooler that comes with the CPU when you first purchase it. So I've got a Ryzen 5 2600 CPU, and yeah, that's the stock cooler that it comes with. Also, I thought, why not show you guys the temperature that the stock cooler performs with the CPU. So obviously you can see right now it's on 32 degrees. It does go to 40 degrees idle, like literally while I'm using it, give it a couple of minutes, it'll go to 40 degrees. Right now it's low, but it goes to 40 degrees and it'll just stay there. Sometimes it'll go higher to 50 degrees, but yeah, that's the stock cooler temperature. And also I did overclock it. It is the clock memory does go up to 3.4, but I've done it to 3.6 with a stock cooler, so I didn't want to go over too high because obviously it does start to freeze. But yeah, I am intending to overclock it to 4.0 once I put the liquid cooler on. So yeah, that's my CPU temperature, guys. Alright, so guys, I have already, you know, taken off the plastic packaging, and yeah, still wearing gloves, by the way. Yeah, that's the box itself. Let's get right into the box. Okay, how do I really open this thing? Okay, it's from here. So I'm gonna open it from the side, and yes, we're already inside the box. Alright, so let's see what really comes inside the box. So we can see we've got the, whatever thing this is, whatever you want to call that, we've got this thing. I want to take this out gently because I just want to make sure nothing is leaking, you know, everything is perfectly fine. Because some people I saw on Amazon did complain that when they received it, it was leaking. So I'm just hoping that hopefully now on I don't run into any issues like that. So what do we get? So we get the fan itself. We've got the cooler over here. Yeah, I know, I'm sorry if you guys can't see it properly, but I'm trying my best to be very gentle with this stuff. Fan. Yeah. And also we get this shit. I don't know what that really does, but yeah. And let's see what we get in here. I think we do get the sockets, you know, for the AMD and for Intel. So let's see what comes inside. And I'm hoping it does come with a thermal paste because I don't have any thermal paste. So I'm hoping, because I did see somewhere that, oh yes, yeah, here's a thermal paste, guys. Yeah, that's the thermal paste. And yeah, that's all with the sockets. One more thing, guys, before I carry on. Oh my god, you guys will not believe it. I was literally like, I had to go to my loft. It is quite dusty, this thing. Okay, so what this is this is my Ryzen 5, you know, my CPU when it came. So you see my motherboard, it comes with some brackets. Now in order for me to put in my stock cooler, I had to take off these brackets. You can see here. Yeah, without these brackets, guys, I will not be able to put it into my motherboard. And God, I went to my loft to look for this everywhere. you know, was praying so much that I found it, but luckily I did find it. And yeah, let's see what we can really do. Comes with some instruction manuals, you can see. Yeah, pretty simple, guys. Yeah, so that is the cooler itself. Let's take these out. You can see, there we go. Yep, and the fan. So without any further ado, let's bring down my PC, the beast of a PC. Alright, so guys, you can see that right now I am currently, you know, I'm going to be taking out the CPU cooler from my PC. Alright guys, so you can see that clearly there's a lot of thermal paste, you know, the pre-applied thermal paste, you know, this cooler I had when I first got it, and you can see the chip itself, yeah, it's quite dirty. Now, you guys might be wondering, REC, how do I clean this up? Well, one option I came up with was, well, clearly you can just steal your sister's, you know, nail polish remover, why not? Has a bit of alcohol, so you can, you know, use this to remove the thermal paste from the CPU. So how would you do this? So what you want to do is, obviously, you want to make sure you have some cloth, or you know, you want to have kitchen roll paper, I don't know what you want to call it, but so I would fold it up like this kind of, and I'm not going to do it on top of the PC just so I don't take any risks. So I would do, imagine it's open right now, so I would put it on top and just, you know, basically do that in order for me to, yeah, there is some dust around it, but yeah. So now I've got some nail polish remover, and what you want to do, just go over it a tiny bit like this, and then you'll see your CPU. Look, you can see, let me just zoom in for you guys. CPU is getting clean. Look at this, looking like brand new. Can I say? Look at that, checks it out. Oh, can I say, looking clean. Oh my god, looking brand new. Looking brand new. We'll do it again. Nail polish remover onto the CPU. Alright, go around it. We're not going to go really around it, we don't want to damage the thing. Alright, so now you can see the CPU is pretty much looking brand new. Well, not really, but yeah, it's looking clean though. It's looking clean, and obviously we don't want to leave our main, you know, our old cooler, you know, leaving it dirty. So what we want to do with this one, okay, just focus it. Alright, so what you want to do with this one is same thing, get some, you know, nail polish remover, just go over it. That's it, pretty much, that's all. Simple as that. It's not rocket science, guys. And yeah, alright, so what my intention is, guys, with the cooler, so put it in like this and on top like that. That's how I want to put it. Hope you guys saw what I'm trying to show. So this is how I really want it. That's the way I would want to put my thing. So what I want to do right now is I'm going to put back these brackets that literally were pre-installed into my motherboard in order for me to make this work. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do first. Alright, so guys, what you want to do is, obviously I didn't record this part because it was quite tricky when I was initially first doing it. So you need to get this thing. You'll find it anyways if you do buy the same cooler, and what you want to do is you will find small screws. You want to screw them in, quite easy. Well, I was going through a whole struggle literally, guys, for half an hour. I wasted half an hour because I inserted the wrong screw at first. So yeah, you need to make sure you look for the silver one, okay? Yeah, I don't know, the manual is not, you know, quite clear, but you need to look at the silver one, okay? Make sure you put the correct one in. Now what you want to do before you put it into the CPU is you need to make sure you take off this plastic label, otherwise you don't want to fry your CPU. So yeah, make sure you do that beforehand. And once you've taken off the label, what you want to do is get the thermal compound, and what you want to do is, from what I've seen on YouTube, people put in like 1 line. Yeah, I think that should be enough, hopefully. I hope it's not too much. Yeah, so that's how much. I think that should be more than enough. Hopefully it's not too much. It's my first time putting in thermal compound in myself. And tighten it back in. Alright, now what you want to do now is you want to put in, alright, you want to put in the cooler, or the main thing. Okay, let's put in, okay, it's messing up right now. Alright, let me just hold these 2 sides. Alright, let's put it again. Done, guys. Alright, well, I have to put this one back in. This is my RGB lighting. There we go. Okay, now we need to put in put this in, guys. Alright, so I want it to be nice focused. Alright, so now I want it to be an intake fan basically. So what I'm going to do is, let me see if I can really put it. Okay, I can put it here. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is lift up my case. I'm just going to skip this part for you guys, it'll be too much. Alright, so guys, you can see that, you know, right now I have finally put in my cooler onto my PC, and now it's the moment of truth. I've literally just plugged in everything. You can see it's plugged in, all that cable management. Yeah, it's the best probably you've ever seen. I'm joking, but yeah, I can't wait for this, guys. I'm so gassed, you do not understand. Yes, but yeah, the moment of truth, guys. I'm about to turn on the PC, so let me do it with you guys. Alright, let me just turn up and just focus the thing. Alright, it's focused now. Press the button. Okay, looks like it's working. Cooler Master LED light has turned on. Oh my god, guys, is it working? Shit. Hey, it's working. I can feel it. I can feel it. Ooh, I feel like hot air, you know. Look at that, guys. It's been a successful one, guys. I'm so happy it's actually worked. Look at that logo, though. It looks cool, though, not gonna lie. Yeah, I'm actually happy, guys. You know, it was a really hard one. Obviously, I don't know what it was, but yeah, you guys can see the PC more clear now. Obviously, I've set my LEDs to blue. Yeah, so guys, let's have a closer look. So you can see that is the Cooler Master CPU, whatever, liquid cooler thing, whatever you want to call it. That's the fan. So the intake, so the air is being, you know, taken into this, comes out here, and I can feel a bit of hot air, you know, coming out. Yeah, that's my PC, guys. I'm actually so gassed, you don't understand. It's disgusting, guys. It's dusty, I know. I'm gonna clean that soon. So yeah guys, that's my PC there. That's the liquid cooler. And yeah guys, that's been my PC guys. Anyways, alright guys, so basically right now if you can see, my CPU has actually cooled down quite a lot. Alright, if I'm going to be exact, I think about almost 10 degrees. 10 degrees is not something really small. It is actually quite a lot if you think about it. So yeah, I'm really happy with this to see that my CPU actually cooled down. And yeah, I might overclock it to 4 GHz. Let's see how it goes. I think about before it used to be about 35 when I was 33 to 35 degrees when I would turn my PC on, and eventually go to 40 to between 40 to 50. Yeah, I'm really happy with this purchase. I'll really recommend everyone else getting it. Let's move on to the next shot. Alright, so guys, you might have realized, that the outtake fan, so the system fan, isn't working for some reason. Well, the reason why it's not working, because if you see over here, let me zoom out. Yeah, so you can see the CPU, the cooler master, this one here. I plugged in the cable into the system fan. Okay, I did not have any extra ports for me to set this. That's why I can. So far, I've got enough outtakes. I got, my. I've got my graphics card taking out the air as well. I've also got my PSU, my power supply taking out air. So I thought it was enough, but obviously I had to order a fan splitter, so it should be coming tomorrow through Amazon Prime. So yeah, that's no problem guys. So yeah guys, that's been my PC. Looks like there is no leakages. Is there any leakages? No. So yeah, I can feel the liquid running through. But yeah guys, that's been your boy 𝐅𝐶. Please, if you guys did enjoy this tutorial, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't enjoy it, give it a thumbs down, and let me know in the comment down below what was the reason why you gave it a thumbs down and what you didn't enjoy about this video. If you guys want me to do more unboxing, more about how to do stuff, let me know in the comment down below and I will take it into consideration. Other than that, it's been your boy 𝐅𝐶. Hope you guys did enjoy this video. Other than that, peace out. Peace.